Everyone will come back to auto legends today. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is not just another high-end RV, it's a statement of automotive artistry, luxury engineering, and travel without compromise. When Rolls-Royce announced they would be stepping into the motorhome market, the world expected something grand. What they've delivered is far beyond grand. It's a rolling palace that blends the craftsmanship of their heritage with technology and comfort that feels decades ahead of its time. Let's start with the exterior, because this is where the sheer presence of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome becomes impossible to ignore. The moment you lay eyes on it, you know it's not trying to compete with other motorhomes. It's redefining the category. The front fascia features a reimagined Pantheon grille, flanked by laser crystal headlights that adapt to road conditions and even weather patterns. The sheer scale of the vehicle is matched with a design language that avoids bulkiness. Its flowing lines and sculpted panels make it look elegant rather than massive. The Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament, illuminated at night, sets the tone for an exterior that feels like it belongs both on the driveway of a luxury estate and on the open road. The side profile carries Rolls-Royce's signature coach line, hand-painted of course, stretching along a body built from lightweight composite materials for improved efficiency. Hidden retractable awnings and a motorized side deck give it a subtle versatility, but even those are executed with the kind of quiet sophistication that avoids flashy gimmicks. The wheels are 24-inch forged alloys with a floating RR center cap, ensuring the emblem is always upright even when in motion. Every panel gap has been obsessively minimized, and the paint finish goes through a multi-layer process that can take weeks to perfect, because in Rolls-Royce's philosophy, no detail is too small to get right. Stepping inside, even for a short look, is enough to understand why the brand calls this a motorhome rather than an RV. The cabin greets you with an atmosphere that feels more like a private yacht lounge than anything on wheels. There's the unmistakable scent of hand-stitched leather, sourced from only the top fraction of available hides. The wood veneers are matched from the same tree to ensure perfect grain continuity, and the carpet is made from deep pile lambswool. A skylight stretches nearly the entire length of the living space, flooding it with natural light during the day and transforming into a starlight headliner at night, a signature Rolls-Royce touch. The seating arrangement can reconfigure at the touch of a button, with chairs that swivel, recline, and even massage in multiple zones. Integrated climate control zones mean every passenger can customize their environment. The kitchen area is compact but exquisitely crafted, with induction surfaces, hidden storage, and crystal glassware that's secured magnetically for travel. The sleeping quarters rival those of luxury hotel suites, with a king-size bed, memory foam layered with cashmere, and even noise cancellation technology to ensure absolute tranquility. On the performance side, Rolls-Royce hasn't sacrificed capability for comfort. Power comes from an advanced electric hybrid drivetrain combining a 675-litre V12 with twin electric motors. The combined output is a staggering 850 horsepower, with torque so immediate and smooth that the vehicle feels effortless no matter its size or weight. The electric range is designed for quiet city cruising, while the V12 ensures long-distance touring is handled with unmatched grace. The adaptive air suspension uses real-time satellite data to anticipate road imperfections ahead, effectively reading the road and adjusting damping before you even feel a bump. Handling, for a vehicle of this scale, is remarkable. Rear-wheel steering and torque vectoring keep it composed in tight corners or narrow mountain passes. Braking is equally refined, with regenerative systems feeding power back to the battery while ensuring smooth, confident stops. Rolls-Royce even includes an autonomous cruise mode for long stretches, allowing you to relax while the vehicle manages speed, lane changes, and traffic flow with precision. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome isn't about getting from one place to another. It's about erasing the discomfort, the fatigue, and the compromises that usually come with travel. It's about making the journey itself the destination. Whether parked at a scenic overlook or gliding effortlessly down a coastal highway, this motorhome is proof that Rolls-Royce has once again redefined what ultimate luxury means. Only this time they've put it on wheels that can take you anywhere in the world without leaving behind an ounce of elegance.